Hello everyone, myself Professor S.K. Sononi. Welcome to the presentation from Kekewak College of Agriculture, Nasi, Department of Plant Pathology. This topic is under the course Microbiology, Introductory Microbiology First, experiment number 11, gram staining of bacteria. We already see the simple staining of bacteria in previous practical presentation. This is the second presentation of gram staining of bacteria. Objective of this exercise to study the type of differential staining which divides bacteria into two groups, that is gram and gram negative bacteria. Objective of this exercise is to differentiate the bacteria whether it is gram positive or gram negative. Principle material required for this practical: glass slide, 24 hours fresh bacterial culture, gram A and gram B solution, gram iodine solution, 50% acetone alcohol solution, basic fusin means stain, spirit lamp, glass rod, wash bottle, muslin cloth, slide holder, microscope, etc. Principle: the organisms are first treated with main stain and then subjected to decolorizing agent. Later on, they are counterstained with other dye. The organisms that retain the color of main stain are called as gram-positive, whereas those bacteria which lose the color of main stain during decolorization and take up the color of counterstain are called as gram-negative bacteria. This is the main principle of gram staining. The scientist Christian Gram first used the stain in 1984 to demonstrate the proportion of bacteria in the diseased tissue. There are different modifications of gram staining using the same principle. Then gram staining. Acceptance of stain is an important property of bacteria and is the best division of bacteria to two principal groups, gram positive and gram negative, in taxonomy. Procedure of gram staining. First, prepare heat fix smear of culture you wish to examine. Which bacteria you would like to examine? Prepared heat fix smear. How to prepare smear we already see in the simple staining of bacteria presentation. Then flood the smear with crystal violet. Here is 4 chemicals are important in gram staining. In simple staining we use only one stain, that is methylene blue. In gram staining you have to use 4 chemicals step by step. Then first step is flood the smear with crystal violet 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Quickly and gently wash off excess stain in 2 seconds. Extra stain is there, gently wash with the tap water or cotton in 2 seconds. This is the slide or smear flood with the crystal violet. Second, after crystal violet, flood the smear with grams iodine for 1 minute. Decolorize with alcohol. This is the third chemical you have to use in the gram staining. 10 to 20 seconds or until the excess alcohol which flow off the slide is colorless. After gram iodine, for 1 grams iodine, keep it for 1 minute and then wash with the alcohol or decolorize with the alcohol 10 to 20 seconds. See how to decolorize the slide with alcohol and then use lastly counter stain, flood, quickly and gently wash off excess stain in 2 seconds. Flood the smear with safranine. This is the counter stain. We will see in the next slides what is meant by counter stain, main stain and decolorizer. Safranine, flood with the smear with safranine for 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Then again gently wash off the excess stain in 2 seconds. Blot dry with bulbous paper. Examine your slide under the microscope. Record sketches of the organism, size, color, morphology and culture identification. This is the dramatical procedure of gram staining. First, crystal violet. You have to flood the smear with crystal violet. Then after 2 minutes wash out crystal violet and flood the smear with iodine. Then all bacteria are purple in color. When you are using iodine, that time also all bacteria in purple color. But at the time of decolorization, you see the third diagram, decolorize the smear with alcohol, 50% of acetone alcohol solution. Then gram positive bacteria are purple and gram negative bacteria are colorless. Then when you are using safranine, that is counter stain, that time gram positive bacteria are purple in color and gram negative bacteria are red in color. This is the gram positive bacteria and gram negative bacteria. You see the fixation at the time of smear fix on the flame. Both the bacteria are colorless. Then using crystal violet, both the bacteria are purple in color. Iodine treatment, purple in color. At the time of decolorization, gram positive bacteria purple and gram negative bacteria colorless. Then when you are using counter stain, that is safranine, gram positive bacteria are purple in color and gram negative bacteria are red in color. If the bacteria retain the color of main stain and appear violet or blue color, they are gram positive, and if they take up the color of counter stain showing red color, they are gram negative. Okay, you understand what we already see in the principle and results. Definition of mordant. Mordant means it is a chemical agent which helps in fixing the color of main stain. We use iodine solution for fixing the color of main stain. It is called as mordant. Decolorizing agent, we used 50% of acetone alcohol solution. It is a chemical agent that decolorize the color of main stain and thus the color is lost from the bacterial cell also. Counter stain, it is a stain used for staining after the main stain is decolorized. This is the real procedure in the microbiology laboratory. First image, to take bacterial culture from the Petri plate to make the proper smear. Then second image, he is making smear or label the slide. After second image, in third image, you see 4 bottles and 4 droppers are there. First one crystal violet, then grams iodine, then grams alcohol, and then safranine, that is counter stain. Then in the second line, first image, smear flood with the crystal violet, then smear flood with the grams iodine, then using in third image decolorizing agent, that is alcohol solution, and last slide with the red color is safranine flood with the safranine. These are gram positive and gram negative slides after gram staining. Here is some examples of gram positive bacteria and gram negative bacteria. So at the time of viva voce you can say these are the gram positive bacteria and these are the gram negative bacteria. Thanks for listening this presentation. It will helpful for your final examination as well as your syllabus completion. Thank you for watching.